Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 20 time. Next topic is use of AM and PM. So AM, when AM is used and when PM is used. Let's see, between 12 midnight to 12 noon, the suffix time interval is written using suffix AM. Okay, 12 midnight to 12 noon, the time is written using suffix AM. Now, between 12 noon to 12 midnight, the time is written using suffix PM. Okay, now 12 o'clock is written at night is written as 12 midnight, and 12 o'clock is daytime is written as 12 noon. Okay, in case of 12 o'clock, we will not write AM or PM. Actually 12 o'clock at night it is 12 midnight, and 12 o'clock at day it is 12 noon. Okay, so there are two types of clock time, 12-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time. Next topic, conversion of 12-hour clock time into 24-hour clock time. Okay, so let us do exercise problem. Exercise 20B. First question, change into 24-hour clock time. In that A, 7:50 PM. So you have to convert 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time, and it is given 7:50 PM. If it is PM, you have to add 12 to the given time. Okay, and PM, just replace it by hours. So how can you convert this? Just add 7:50 plus 12. What you will get? It is 19:50, and this PM, replace it by hours. Okay, so 7:50 PM in 12-hour clock time. If you are converting this to 24-hour clock time, it will be 1950 hours. Okay, if it is the time, if the time is given in PM, then add 12 to the given time and replace PM by hours. Okay, that is the method. Next, 5 AM. So if the time is given in AM, just replace AM by hours. It is 5 hours. Okay, you can write like this, 05 hours. This is the conversion of 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time if it is in AM. Just write that time, then AM, replace it by hours. Okay, 12 midnight. So 12 midnight means just add 12. After PM only 12 midnight is coming. So just add 12 to the given time. So what you will get? 12 plus 12, it is 24 hours. Okay. Next D, 8:45 AM. 8:45 AM. The time is given in AM. So just replace this AM by hours. That is 8:45 hours. Okay, next E, 2:20 PM. So the time is given in PM. So what to do? Just add 12 to the given time. So what you will get? 220 plus 12. It is 1420 hours. Replace PM by hours. Okay, so 1420 hours. Next F, 4:40 PM. So in order to convert this time in PM to 24-hour clock, just add 12. So 4:40 plus 12. What you will get? 12 plus 4, it is 1640 hours. Okay. Do the remaining problems of 1 as homework. Now second question, change into 12-hour clock time. So the time is given in 24-hour clock time, you have to change that to 12-hour clock time. Okay, in that A, 1630 hours. So this is first check whether this is greater than 12 or not. Okay, so this is 16 is greater than 12. So what to do is just subtract 12 from the given time. Okay, so what you will get, 1630 minus 12. 16 minus 12, it is 4. So 430, 30 minus 0, it is 30. 430. Now just replace this hours by PM. It is 4:30 PM. Okay, if it is greater than 12 o'clock or 12 midnight 12 noon means just subtract 12 from the given time and replace this hours by PM. Okay, next B, 23:50 hours. So this is greater than 12. So what to do? Just subtract 12 from the given time. 23:50 minus 12. So what you will get? 23 minus 12. It is 11:50. Then replace this hours by PM. 11:50 PM it is. Okay. Next is C. 10:45 hours. Now here this is less than 12. Okay, it is less than 12. 10:45, it is less than 12. So what to do? Just write that time, 10:45. Now this hours, replace it by AM. 10:45 AM. This is the time in 12-hour clock. Okay. Next D, 18:15 hours. So this is greater than 12. So what to do? Just subtract 12 from the given time. So what you will get, it is 6:15. Now this hours, replace it by PM. 6:15 PM. Okay. In that E, 12 hours. So 12 hours in 24-hour clock time, it is 12 noon in 12-hour clock time. Okay. 24-hour clock time in the 12 hours. അതെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 12-hour clock time in the 12 noon ആണ്. Okay. Next F, 24 hours. So 24 hours in 24-hour clock time means 12 midnight in 12-hour clock time. Okay. 24-hour clock time in the 24 hours എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 12-hour clock time in the 12 midnight ആണ്. Okay. So 12 hours means 12 noon. 24 hours means 12 midnight. Okay. So do the remaining problems of 2 also as homework. Now third question. A train reached at a New Delhi railway station at 4:45 PM. What is the time in a 24-hour clock? So this is given in 12-hour clock time. Okay, this is 12-hour clock time. You have to write that in 24-hour clock. So this is given in PM. Time is given in PM. So what to do? Just add 12 to the given time. So 4:45 plus 12. What you will get? It is 16:45. Now this PM, replace it by hours. 16:45 hours. In 24-hour clock, the time will be 16:45 hours. Okay. Fourth one, Rahul goes to school at 8:50 AM. Find the time in a 24-hour clock. So 8:50 AM you have to write in 24-hour clock. So the given time is in AM. Okay, so what to do? Just write that time, then AM, just replace by that by hours. So 8:50 hours. This is the time in 24-hour clock. Okay. Next topic, addition and subtraction of time. So next exercise 20C. In that first question, add A, 6 hours 20 minutes and 5 hours 36 minutes. So first you have to arrange the given time in column. Okay, hours you can write in one column, minutes you can write in the second column. Okay, so 6 hours, you can write it like this, 6:20. Okay, no need to put this 6:20. Next, it is 5 hours 36 minutes. So you can write 5 here and 36 here. Now here you have to add. So 6 plus 0. Minutes you can add. Starting from minutes, 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 2 5. Now 6 plus 5 11. So the answer is 11 hours 56 minutes. Okay. Next B, 15 hours 35 minutes and 7 hours 45 minutes. So first arrange hours and minutes in columns. Okay, so 15 hours 35 minutes. Then 7 hours 45 minutes. You have to add. So 5 plus 5, 10. You will get 8 here. Okay, now 7 plus 5, 12. Here 22. 22, 80. Here you have to note one thing. This minutes, if it is greater than 60 means, you have to do one thing. Subtract 60 from the given minute. Okay. ഇവിടെ മിനിറ്റ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 60നേക്കാൾ കൂടുതലായിട്ടുള്ള നമ്പറാണ് കിട്ടിയെങ്കിൽ അതിൽ നിന്ന് 60 മൈനസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വേണം എഴുതാൻ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദിസ് 60 യു ഹാവ് ടു subtract from this and add that 1. 60 minutes means it is 1 hour. Okay, so that 1 hour you can add here. Clear? ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഒരു 60 മിനിറ്റ്സ് എടുത്തിട്ട് 60 മിനിറ്റ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 1 അവർ, ആ 1 അവർ ഇതിലേക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം, അവേഴ്സിലേക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് 60 സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, 60 മിനിറ്റ്സ് യു ആർ സബ്ട്രാക്ടിങ് ഫ്രം ഹിയർ ആൻഡ് ആഡിങ് ടു അവേഴ്സ് പാർട്ട്. ബിക്കോസ് 60 minutes means it is 1 hour. Okay, so 60 minutes that you are converting to hour and adding to hours part. Okay, so what you will get, 80 minus 60 it is 20 and 22 plus 1 it is 23. So the answer is 23 hours 20 minutes. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ മിനിറ്റ്സ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 60നേക്കാൾ കൂടുതലായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു നമ്പറാണ് കിട്ടുന്നതെങ്കിൽ അതിൽ നിന്ന് 60 സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുക, 1 അവേഴ്സിലേക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ മെത്തേഡ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് 23 hours 20 minutes. നെക്സ്റ്റ് സി, 25 hours 44 minutes and 16 hours 36 minutes. So hours, then here minutes. Okay, 25 hours 44 minutes, then 16 hours 36 minutes you have to add. So 6 plus 4 10, 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. Here 6 plus 5 11, 2 plus 2 41 you will get. So here in minutes part on adding you got 80, that is greater than 60. So you just subtract 60 minutes from here and add 1 to the hours part. Okay, so what you will get, 80 minus 60 it is 20. Then here 41 plus 1 you will get 42. So the answer is 42 hours 20 minutes. Okay, next D, 7 minutes 25 seconds and 12 minutes 18 seconds. Okay, so here minutes and seconds. So minutes you can write in one column and seconds you can write in the other column. Okay, 7 minutes 25 seconds. So 7 here, 25 in second column. Next 12 minutes 18 seconds. So 12 here and 18 here. Okay, you have to add this. Now 8 plus 5 it is 13. 2 plus 2 4. 7 plus 2 9. Here 1. So 19 minutes and 43 seconds it is. This is the answer. Okay, next in that E, 16 minutes 29 seconds and 20 minutes 45 seconds. So here minutes column and this is seconds column. Okay, 16 minutes 29 seconds. You can write like this, 16 and 29. Then 20 minutes 45 seconds. You have to add this. Okay, 9 plus 5 it is 14. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. 6 plus 0 6. 2 plus 1 3. Here also 74 seconds. On adding seconds you got 74 and it is greater than 60. Okay, if the seconds it is greater than 60, what to do is you have to take 60 seconds from this. Okay, that is subtract 60 seconds from here, and you know 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. Okay, so this 60 seconds you are converting to minute and adding to minutes part. Okay, ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് 74 സെക്കൻഡ്സിൽ 60 സെക്കൻഡ് 1 മിനിറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് മിനിറ്റിലേക്ക് കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്തു. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് 60 സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്തു. 60 സെക്കൻഡ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, 60 സെക്കൻഡ്സ് ഇവിടെ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അത് മിനിറ്റ് ആക്കിയിട്ട് മിനിറ്റിലൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്തു. ഓക്കെ, 60 സെക്കൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് 1 മിനിറ്റ്. So that you are adding to minutes part. Now what we will get? 4 minus 0 4, 7 minus 6 1. Here 6 plus 1 7 and 3. So the answer is 37 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay. In that G, 2 hours 40 minutes, 5 hours 30 minutes, 7 hours 50 minutes. So hours you can write in one column, minutes you can write in the other column. So 2 hours and 40 minutes. Now 5 hours and 30 minutes. Then 7 hours and 50 minutes. You have to add these three. Okay, so you will get here 0, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4. It is 12, 120. Okay, now 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 2, it is 14. So 14 hours, 120 minutes you got. So here on adding minutes you got 120, which is greater than 60. So what to do? Just subtract 60 from 120 and add 1 to hours. Okay, 60 minutes you are subtracting from this 120 minutes, and 60 minutes it is 1 hour. That 1 hour you are adding to hours part. So what you will get? It is 0, 60. Here 60 again you will get. Here 15 you will get. So 15 hours 60 minutes. Again here 60 minutes. You can subtract 60 from 60. Okay, 60 minutes means it is 1 hour. So here subtracting 60 minutes from 60 minutes and that adding 1 minute, 1 hour to that hours part. ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് 60 മിനിറ്റ്സ് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആ 60 മിനിറ്റ്സ് എവിടെയാണ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? അവേഴ്സിൽ. 1 അവർ ആയിട്ട് അവേഴ്സിൽ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. 60 മിനിറ്റ്സ് മീൻസ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് 1 hour. So on adding what you will get? 60 minus 60 it is 0. 15 plus 1 it is 16. So that is 16 hours. This is the answer. Okay. ഇത് 60യോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 60ന് കൂടുതലോ വന്നാൽ നമുക്കിങ്ങനെ സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ 60 ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ആ 60 മിനിറ്റ്സ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അവേഴ്സിലേക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ക്ലിയർ? എഗെയിൻ ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് ആദ്യം ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ 60 കിട്ടി. എഗെയിൻ യു ഗോട്ട് 60 മിനിറ്റ്സ് മീൻസ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് 1 hour. സോ എഗെയിൻ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് 60 സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്ത് അവേഴ്സിലേക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓർ ഡയറക്റ്റ്ലി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യാം. 120 മിനിറ്റ്സ് മീൻസ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് 2 hour. സോ 120 മിനിറ്റ്സിനെ 2 hour ആക്കി ഇതിലേക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്താലും യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ദി സെയിം ആൻസർ 16. ഓക്കെ. Second one, add 15 years 4 months and 20 years 2 months. So here years and months it is given. So years you can write in one column and months in the other column. Okay. So first one, 15 years and 4 months. Then 20 years 2 months. You have to add this. So 4 plus 2 it is 6. Now 5 plus 0 5. 2 plus 1 3. So the answer is 35 years 6 months. Okay. Next would be 12 years 6 months and 21 years 8 months. So 12 years and 6 months. then 21 years, then 8 months. So 8 plus 6 you will get 14. 2 plus 1 it is 3. 2 plus 1 again 3. So 33 years and 14 months. So here this months on adding you got 14 which is greater than 12. We know that 12 months will make a 1 year, or 1 year equal to 12 months. Okay, so from 14 months you can subtract 12 months, and that 12 months it is 1 year. Okay, 1 year you can add to years part. 14 months in the 12 months subtract ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആ 12 months year 1 year ആയിട്ട് years part ല add ചെയ്യാം. Okay, so you will get 14 minus 12 it is 2. Okay, now 33 plus 1 it is 34. So the answer is 34 years and 2 months. Okay, so do the remaining as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.